What's going on, guys? Alright, so this is going to be a video for the parts disassembly channel. So I'm going to show you how to remove the drip sills on the roof on this Honda Civic. This is a newer generation Honda Civic. I think it's like FK8. And these are the drip sill trims right up here. So when we're removing the drip sill trims for this particular vehicle, what we're doing is we're trying to find a plastic tool. I'm using my triangle tool, and we're going to pry. We're going to get underneath and we're going to pry it up a little bit, okay? Once I get it up, all right, I'm just going to give me some slack, all right? So I have some slack. Let's get it all the way up. So the back already came out, and I'm going to show you the front and how to do that. So this actually has to slide backwards, right? So I'm going to show you right here in the front. So we have to slide this back a little bit. Put your finger in front, and you should feel it kind of shift. It's going to be stiff, and then it's going to shift into a point where it's got a little hole, all right? I'll explain this little hole in a second. So sometimes it's a little finicky. I'm going to have a look. There we go. So there's a little hole right there, and on the backing, on the back piece. This is your clip that's holding it in. Essentially, that's all there is. Now, if you slide, there's a little pin in here. We slide this back, it allows the pin to come out of that wider hole right there. And again, your roof trim is off. This is the same for both sides, all right? So pretty straightforward stuff. I just wanted to do a quick 2-minute video, probably not even it's a 2-minute video now, but 30-second removal tip on that. A lot of vehicles won't be like this. This is a bit particular for this make and model of car, but yeah, if you do have a Honda Civic, the newer generation, you're going to be removing your roof trim just like that. Again, very simple, very easy. We're going to go store this in a spot, and that's it, and keep it to the side because we are wrapping this car's roof, hood, and some of the rear hatch and spoiler in Vivid True Art carbon fiber. Anyways, guys, if you liked the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll do some more videos on the removal process of this car, and thank you for watching. Take care.